At the clay factory, there's lots on offer. We've got affordable, functional and funky office spaces. That's a lot of S. We've got a brand new work hub space. We've got micro offices for business startups in our beach hut. Snuggly. We've even got shipping containers that have been converted into funky offices. We've got our very own sand pit, equipped with deck chairs and sunglasses. We've got a ping pong table. We've got on-site catering from Red Pod Food in our canteen. Quirky and delicious. We've got friendly faces. Say hello. Hello. What is it? We're doggy friendly. Scenic views of Dartmoor. Yeah, okay. We've got meeting rooms. What we're going to do is we're going to increase market value, push it out and take over the world. We've got boardroom facilities. Not just that, we've got the most important part of the clay factory. We've got Maureen. Say hello, Maureen. Squeaky door. So if you're looking for somewhere that offers flexible spaces and is a funky and cool place to work, all you need to do is email Damon at theclayfactory.co.uk to find out what spaces we've got available today. That's me, by the way.